Okay, so we have two circles. So put the smaller circle in the middle of your page, a little on the upper side, and draw a nice little circle. Now I am using this for the bigger circle, and I will just put it here. This is a little overlapping the smaller circle, and again I will make a nice circle. So here we have two circles, a smaller one and a bigger one, and now let us draw the legs. So this is our bigger circle, and I am going to draw the legs from here. Just watch it very carefully, like this. This. This is the first leg, and the second leg from the other side of the bigger circle. It is like this. This. It is a little behind the first leg. 1 and 2. Only 2 are visible since it is hidden behind the first leg. And now the ears. Now elephants have really big ears, fan-like ears. One ear, and similarly I will draw on this side. I don't need this line, so I am going to erase it. And this line, I don't need this line as well. Just I will draw a little curve like a smiley here. Okay. Now the trunk. Trunk is wider at the base and it goes narrower at the end. And now it is holding something in his trunk. So let me give you a closer look. It is like this. And this. I don't need this line and this line, so I will remove them. Now it is holding a sugar cane in its trunk. Elephants love sugar cane, right? Just a small piece of sugar cane like this. And so he is holding a sugar cane. I don't need this line, so I removed it, and now I am giving it a little smiley, and I am going to make the big tusks. Elephants have big tusks, right? Again, I don't need this line, so I will just erase them. I am going to draw here a little random shapes for inner ears. Now, elephants have very tiny eyes, so I am drawing just two tiny little circles for eyes. And now what is left? We can still draw a tail. It's from here below its trunk. It is moving its trunk, so it is visible. It is the front view. The elephant is facing us, so its back legs are not visible, only two front legs are visible. Okay, now let us color it. Now first I am going to give it an outline with black color. So outline it very carefully, don't be in a hurry. Give it a nice outline. We are using black color, so be very careful. We won't outline this. The inner ears we are not going to outline. Big tusks. Trunk. Now its body. I am not going to outline this, the sugar cane. We have to outline only the elephant. So the outlining is complete. I haven't outlined the inner ears and the sugar cane and the tail. Okay, so now let us color it. Now first I am going to color with dark grey. Do it very carefully. I left this area. You see, my hand is not like this. It is not resting on the paper. Okay, do it like this, otherwise the paper will get dirty. Or you can do one more thing. You can just put a rough paper under your hand like this and then color. So color like this and it will save your drawing, protect your drawing, and it won't get dirty. Okay, you can keep a paper under your hand. Similarly, I am going to color the face and the trunk with dark grey. We won't be coloring the tusks, only the face and the trunk. Yes, tiny eyes are here, so I am going to leave the space for eyes. and going to color the rest. The face and trunk has been colored. Now I am going to fill the same color, the dark grey color, in its body and legs. I won't be coloring this three and these two. Okay. Do it very carefully. This portion of the body. Leave the sugar cane and color the rest. Now I am using a little light grey. It is light grey color. I will apply this color just a little on the trunk, just in the middle of the trunk. Press it well and do it properly, like this. Now you can use your tissue paper. You can wrap it like this around your finger, or you can use your finger as well and smudge the color. So that the whites are blended. Don't smudge on the outlines, on the black outlines. I am not rubbing it like this. I am just pulling it like this. So it is done. Now I am using a little pink for the inner of the ears. Smudge the pink as well, but don't use this tissue paper. It has gone dirty. So do it with a fresh area. Now white on the tusks. Don't do it on the outlines. It's done. Eyes with black. Just two tiny little dots. That's it. Now the sugar cane. We can use light brown for little round portion here, and the rest with light green. Now draw these marks with your pencil. Now dark brown in its tail. And you can use your pencil for the end of its tail. Fill it with your pencil. So this is our elephant. Now I am going to fill the background with light blue. You can use light blue or blue buff. Color it properly. So blue is done. Do the blue around its tail very carefully. You shouldn't cover the tail with blue. And now I am going to smudge the blue as well. Now smudge on the outline very carefully. Do it very carefully, beta, because it is black. That's all. You don't need to do much of it. Just a little bit. It's okay. Putting white color in the nails as well. Just a little bit, not much. Now a little yellow here. Just a little. You can use deep yellow or medium yellow or even chrome yellow. Any yellow. So this is our elephant holding a sugar cane in its trunk. Now enjoy doing it. Stay in and stay safe. Bye.